World Time Attack Challenge 2024, and we are here with Tom Hughes from HRB. Tom's a long-time Kelford customer, specialising in building 1UZs, Toyota lines and the Nissan RB26. So today Tom has brought his new assembly tool line to World Time Attack Challenge. Tom, can you tell us a little bit about what we've got going on here?
Yep, so we're doing JDM-specific tools. So we're starting with the RB, like you said, RB.JZ, what we build a lot of. So these tools are all based around helping people build those specific engines. They're a tool line you can't really buy to help you do those tasks.
Sure.
We also have like general engine tools, so balancer pullers, valve spring compressors, lots of valve train related tools, ring file kits, everything to help someone, if they're professional or hobbyist, either get into it or do the job better.
So is there going to be any other lines you're going to be bringing out soon?
Yep, so we started with the JZ RB, and then we'll go into like the Honda B Series, K Series, 4G, 4H, and just tick off those major JDM brands.
Sure, and if someone wants to buy this product, how do they find you?
HughesRacebuilt.com, follow our socials, do lots of content around engine building, engine tech, showing you how to use the tools.
So Kelford Cams is going to be putting these lines of products on our website shortly. We're going to be keeping these in stock so you guys can buy them off us. When do you reckon we're going to have these packages ready to go?
Yep, they're ready to ship now from us. You guys will have stock in a couple of weeks.
Perfect.
We'll be into it.
Cool, man. Hey, really appreciate it.
Cheers, Josh.
Cool, cheers.